Lahat tayo, hangad ang kabutihan ng bawat isa. At sa palagay ko, mas makakamit natin ito ngayong nandito na kayo. Tulad ng ipinangako ko sa inyo, sabay ninyong makikita ang inyong mga anak. Jazz at Fiang, kayo ang magiging daan ng bawat isa kung paano mapapagaan ang dinadala ng housemate na nasa inyong harapan. Nais kong kausapin mo ang taong nasa harapan mo at sabihin mo sa kanya kung ano ang hinahangaan mo tungkol sa kanya.
Kinabahan ako. Magkaharap na naman kami ni Fiang and it's not something that we can run away.
Tumatakbo sa isip ko na baka ito na yung time.
Fiang, Ali. I admire so much how strong-willed you are and how straightforward you are to certain things. So I've realized so many things about you. So parang na-realize ko how much you really grew since the first day that I met you and got to know you until this very moment. Hangang-hanga ko sa courage mo, sa strength mo, and overall, I think the love that you give. You're so loving to everyone. It may be different for all, pero nakikita ko yun. And ang dami, through all the things that we've gone through, the first time I saw you again, sobrang saya ko, to be honest. Oo eh. Nung kita nakita, I thought na hindi mo na ako ulit kakausapin. But then when you entered the room, I saw the warm smile na pinakita mo sa akin. And I felt so light because I blamed myself so much. But then because of your great heart and your great mind, you took things maturely. So I'm so proud of you, Fiang. And thank you, Fiang, because you're really strong. One of God's greatest soldiers that hinahangaan ko.
Sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard.
Because I felt like I helped her also in taking away the baggage that she was carrying.
Lalo may nangyari sa amin hindi maganda, siguro mas lalo siyang nakaka-appreciate after na may nakikita pala siyang ganun sa akin. Parang, natouch ako kasi sinabihan niya din ako ng ganun. Jasmine Helen, I admire how genuine you are. I admire how pure your intentions are. And also, all my life, lagi kong wini-wish na sana may ate ako. And start nung last week, naramdaman ko na I have ate besides me. And I'm so happy for that na pinaramdam mo sa akin. And ina-admire kita doon kasi hindi lahat kayang maging ate sa hindi mo naman kaano-ano. I admire how strong you are also kasi nakikita ko din yung sarili ko sa'yo. Lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na every time na nagsasalita kayo, na-admire yung pagsasalita mo kasi I love how you speak up to everyone then. Like you are, like grabe. Kahit kay Kuya, lagi ko sinasabi na nakikita kita na pure yung intentions mo and how genuine you are talaga. I think I found my ate na. And it's here, standing right straight. Sa aking eyesight. Eyesight! Parang gumagaan yung feeling ko, magaan yung bigat na sa loob ko, Kuya. Bumabalik na yung loob ko sa kanya. Lahat naman siguro ng tao nagkakamali, why not? Nagkapatawaran na.
I was so happy. And I happy ako, Kuya, na appreciate niya yung pagiging ate ko or even kahit as a friend. Na-realize ko lang, Kuya, na grabe yung maturity na ni Fiang, grabe yung growth niya, and how she also processed things.
Yes ko,
Fiang
Kuya.
at Jazz, kunin ang sulat na nasa likuran nyo pero wag mo nang bubuksan. Lingid sa inyong kaalaman, kayo ay pinapanood ng dalawang tao. Ang dalawang taong yan ang siyang sumulat ng liham para sa inyo.